high call series.
Up to now, we have discussed how to subtract three-digit numbers in expanded form. Now, the next topic is checking subtraction. So, children, we are doing so many subtractions up to now in this chapter. But we can also know whether the subtraction is correct or not. So, what is the subtraction? And we are doing so many problems on subtraction. So, whether we can also find whether the answer is correct or not. That means we can check whether the answer is correct or not. So, how can we check the subtraction? So, we can check the subtraction and we can also verify whether the answer is correct or not. So, how can we check subtraction? So, while checking subtraction, we have to do addition. So, by doing addition, we can verify our answer whether it is correct or not. So, addition is the process which is used for checking subtraction. So, that means subtraction and addition both are opposite to each other. So, if we add, we can get subtraction, and by using subtraction, we can get addition. So, that means we can check subtraction by using addition. So, let us understand this checking by using a simple example. So, let us take two-digit numbers and we can subtract those two-digit numbers and we can verify. That means we can check whether the answer is correct or not. So, take two numbers 53 and 26. So, 53 and 26. So, children, here two numbers are given. The first number is 53 and the second number is 26. So, write the places first. So, here this is ones place and this is tens place. 3 and 6 are present in ones place. 5 and 2 are present in tens place. So, now do the subtraction. After doing subtraction, we can verify or we can check whether the answer is correct or not. So, let us do first subtraction. So, start from ones place. So, let us subtract the digits present in the ones place. So, what are the digits present in the ones place? 3 and 6 are present in the ones place. So, here 3 is the smaller number and 6 is the greater number. So, we cannot subtract 6 from 3 because we cannot subtract greater number from the smaller number. Then what we have to do? So, we have already discussed if the subtraction is not possible, we have to get borrow from its next place. So, what is its next place? The tens place. So, get borrow from the tens place. So, what is the digit present in the tens place here? So, 5 is present in the tens place. That means 5 tens are there. So, get borrow 110. So, get borrow 110 from 5 tens. So, if you get borrow 110 from 5 tens, how many tens will be here? So, there will be 4 tens here. So, carry this 110 to the ones place. So, if you carry the 110 to the tens place, the 110 is equal to 10 ones. 110 is equal to 10 ones. So, carry this 110 to the ones place, then it will become 10 ones. Already there are 3 ones, and if the 10 ones are added to 3 ones, total becomes 13 ones. So, now do the addition. Now do the subtraction. So, here the first number is 13 and the second number is 6. So, what is the first number? 13. So, open 13 fingers of your hand, but we have only 10 fingers. We cannot do the subtraction on our fingers. So, just to draw 13 lines on your rough work. So, draw 13 lines. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, what is the second number? 6. Strike off 6 lines in these 13 lines. So, strike off 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Children, count how many lines are left here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, total 7 lines are left. So, the answer is 7. Write 7 under ones place. Now, go to tens place. So, what are the digits present in the tens place? So, 4 and 2 are present in the tens place. So, subtract 2 from the 4. So what is the first number? 4. Open 4 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now close the second. What is the second number? 2. So close 2 fingers in these 4 fingers. So 1, 2. So children, how many fingers are here? 1, 2. So 2 fingers are left here. So write 2 under tens place. So the answer is 27. Now our task is we have to check whether this answer is correct or not. The difference is 27. So the answer we get is 27. So this answer is called difference. Now we can check this difference is correct or not. So we can check or we can verify whether this subtraction is correct or not. So this 27 is correct or not with the help of addition. So how can we verify whether the answer is correct or not? Simply by doing addition. So how can we do? What we have to do? So add the difference to the smallest number in the subtraction. So add the difference to the smallest number in the subtraction. So what is the difference? 27 is the difference. So write 27 first. Now add this difference to the smallest number in the subtraction. So what is the smallest number in the subtraction? So 26 is the smallest number in the subtraction. So now add this difference to the smallest number. So the smallest number is 26. So write 26 below the difference. So now add these two numbers. The first one is the difference. So the first one is the difference and the second one is a smaller number. Smaller number in the addition. So add the difference to the smaller number in the addition. Then we have to get the greater number in the subtraction. If we get the greater number in the subtraction, our subtraction is correct. So if we do not get the greater number 53, then our subtraction is wrong. So let us do the addition. So write the places. So this is ones place and this is tens place. 7 and 6 are present in ones place. 2 and 2 are present in tens place. So let us start addition from the ones place. What are the digits present in the ones place? 7 and 6 are present in ones place. So what is the second number here? 6. So open 6 fingers of your hand. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So start counting from the first number. So what is the first number here? 7. So after 7, what will we get? 8. So start counting from 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13 and we have got 2 digits as the sum. So if you got 2 digits as the sum, so there will be 3 is present in the ones place and 1 is present in the tens place. So write this 3 under ones place. And 1 is in the tens place. So carry this ones to the tens place. So children, do you understand? Here the sum of the 2 digits is 13. So in 13, 3 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. So write 3 under ones place and carry this 1 to the tens place because 1 is in tens place. So carry this 1 to the tens place. So now add the digits present in the ones place. Now there are 3 digits under tens place. That is 1, 2 and 2. So how can we add 3 digit numbers? So how can we add 3 numbers? So first add 2 numbers, that is 1 and 2. And the sum is added to third number 2. So first add 2 numbers, that is 1 and 2. So open 2 fingers of your hand, 1, 2. And start counting from the first number. What is the first number? 1. After 1, we will get to 2. So start counting from 2. That is 2 and 3. So the sum is 3. Now add this sum 3 to the third number 2. Add this sum 3 to the third number 2. So here the first number is 3, second number is 2. Open 2 fingers of your hand, 1, 2. And start counting from this sum. So what is the sum? 3. After 3, we will get 4. Start counting from 4. So 4 and 5. So the sum is 5. So the answer is 53, which is equal to the greater number. So if we add the difference to the smaller number, we have to get greater number in the subtraction. So that's why our subtraction is correct. So how can we check the subtraction? So write the difference as the first number and write the smaller number in the second number, and we have to do addition. If we get the greater number of the subtraction, our subtraction is correct. If we do not get the greater number, our subtraction is wrong. So let us practice one more problem on the checking of subtraction. So how can we check our subtraction? So we can check our subtraction by adding the difference to the smaller number in the subtraction. So let us take one example. So here the given example is 72 minus 46. So subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and check your answer. So first subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So what is the bigger number here? So 72 is the bigger number and 46 is the smaller number. So write bigger number first and write the smaller number below the bigger number. So write bigger number first. What is the bigger number? 72. So write 7. So 2 should be written in the ones place. 7 should be written in the tens place. So write a smaller number below the bigger number. The smaller number is 46. Write 4 in the tens place and 6 in the ones place. Now make a subtraction. So do subtraction. So how can we do subtraction? So let us start subtraction from the ones place. So what are the digits present in the ones place? 2 and 6 are present in the ones place. Here the first number is 2 and it is the smaller, and 6 is the second number, it is greater. And we cannot subtract 6 from 2 because 2 is the smaller number, 6 is the bigger number. Here subtraction is not possible. Then what we have to do? If the subtraction is not possible, we have to borrow from the next place. So what is the next place? Tens place. How many tens are there? So there are 7 tens are there in the given number. So borrow 1 10 from these 7 tens. So borrow 1 10 from these 7 tens. So if you borrow 1 10 from the 7 tens, how many tens will be there? There will be 6 tens. There will be 6 tens. Now carry this 110 to the ones place. So if you carry 110 to the ones place, how many ones will become? So this become 12 ones because there are already 2 ones, and if these 10 ones are added, it will become 12 ones. Now do the subtraction. First number is 12, second number is 6. So subtract 6 from the 12. So open 12 fingers of your hand, but we have only 10 fingers. We cannot do the subtraction on our fingers. So just draw 12 lines. Draw the 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And strike off 6 lines among the 12 lines. So strike off 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So children, count the remaining lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 lines are left. So the answer is 6. So write 6 under one's place. So next, subtract the tens digits. Now go to the tens place. So there are 6 and 4 digits present in the tens place. So 6 is the first digit and 4 is the second digit. Open 6 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the second digit in the tens place? 4. So close 4 fingers in these 6 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, how many fingers are left? 1, 2. So 2 fingers are left. The answer is 2. So the difference is 26. Now we can check whether this subtraction, that is whether this answer 26 is correct or not. How can we check? just by doing addition. How can we do addition? So add this difference, that means add this answer to the smaller number in the subtraction. So first write the difference here. So 26 is the difference. So 26 is the answer. So write 26 first. Now add this answer to the smaller number in the subtraction. So what is the smaller number in the subtraction? 72 or 46? 46 is the smaller number. So write 46 below the answer and do the addition. So now do the addition. So here 6 and 6 are present in the ones place, 2 and 4 are present in tens place. So now start addition from the ones place. So what is the first digit? 6. What is the second digit? 6. So open 6 digits of your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now start counting from the first digit. So what is the first digit? 6. After 6 we will get 7. So start counting from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The answer is 12, but 12 has 2 digits. But we have to write only 1 digit. But 12 has 2 digits. Here 2 is present in ones place, 1 is present in tens place. So write this 2 under ones place because 2 is present in the ones place. So write 2 under ones place. So 2. Here 1 is present in the tens place. So carry this 1 to the tens place. So carry this 1 to the tens place. So now there are 3 digits under tens place. So add these 3 digits. So how can we add 3 digits? So first add 2 digits and then add the sum to the third digit. So first add 2 digits. The second one is 2 and first one is 1. So open 2 fingers of your hand. 1, 2. And start counting after first digit. What is the first digit? 1. After 1 you will get 2. So start counting from 2. 2, 3. So the sum is 3. And add this sum to the third number. What is the third number? 4. So now open 4 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, these are the 4 fingers. Now start counting from the sum. What is the sum? 3 is the sum. So after 3 we will get 4. So start counting from 4. It is 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. So children, so this is the bigger number of the subtraction. So 72 is the bigger number. So we have got the bigger number in the subtraction. So our subtraction is correct. So children, in this way we can check our subtraction just by doing addition. So children, up to now we have discussed so subtractions, 3-digit number subtractions, and with borrowing and without borrowing, and also we have learned how to check our subtraction. So whether our subtraction is correct or not, how can we check it? Now the next part in this chapter is word problems on the subtraction. So let us practice some word problems on the subtraction. So there are 2 problems given. So see the first problem. So children, read the first problem. A fruit seller had 379 apples. Out of them, he sold 156 apples. How many were left? So children, so understand the problem. So if you understand the problem, you can easily do the problem. So read the problem once again. A fruit seller had 379 apples. So a fruit seller has 379 apples. That means how many number of apples are there? So total how many number? So 379 apples are there. And how many apples he sold out? He sold 156 apples sold out. Now, how many apples were left here? So now what we have to do, either addition or subtraction. So if the problem contains left or how many left and how much is less than, how much is greater than, then we have to do subtraction. So how many were left? That means out of 379 apples, 156 apples are taken away. So taken away means subtraction. Already you have learned in the first class. So that's why we have to do subtraction in this problem. So how many apples are there? So just write the steps. We have to write the steps for the word problems. So how can we write the steps? So total number of apples. Total number of apples. So children, how many apples are there? So total 379 apples are there. So the total number of apples are 379. And how many apples he sold out? 156. So number of apples sold out. Number of apples sold out. So children, how many apples sold out? 156 apples are sold out. So now we have to find how many apples are left at his food seller. So that's why we have to do subtraction here. So we have to subtract a smaller number from the greater number. That means we have to subtract the number of apples sold out from the total number of apples. Then we will get the number of apples that are left at the food seller. So write the one number below the other and do the subtraction. So write one number below the other. So the first number is 379. So write the greater number first. And write the smaller number below the greater number. That is 156. Write 156 below 370. Now do the subtraction. So this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. Here 9 and 6 are present in ones place, 7 and 5 are present in tens place, 3 and 1 are present in hundreds place. So let us start subtraction from the ones place. So what are the digits present in the ones place? 9 and 6 are present in the ones place. So what is the first digit? 9 is the first digit. So open 9 fingers of your hand. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 9 fingers. So what is the second digit in the ones place? 6 is the second digit. So close 6 fingers in the 9 fingers. So close 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Children, how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3. So 3 fingers are left. So write 3 under ones place. Now go to the tens place. So what digits are present under tens place? 7 and 5 are present under tens place. Now subtract 5 from the 7. So what is the first number? 7 is the first number. So open 7 fingers of your hand. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 fingers. What is the second digit in the tens place? 5 is the second digit in the tens place. So close 5 fingers in these 7 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, how many fingers are left? 1, 2. So total 2 fingers are left. So write 2 under tens place. Next go to hundreds place. So what are the digits present in the hundreds place? 3 and 1. So 3 is the first digit. So open 3 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3. So what is the second digit? 1 is the second digit. So close 1 finger among these 3 fingers. So I have closed 1 finger. Children, how many fingers are left here? 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Write 2 under hundreds place. So children, 223 is the answer. That means the number of apples left at a fruit seller are 223. So children, in this way we have to write the steps and then we have to do subtraction. So this is the way of solving word problems. So next, see the second problem. So children, so read it once. On a rainy day, 190 children did not come to school. If there are 350 children in the school, how many children came to school? So children, first we have to understand the problem. So read it once again till you understood. So on a rainy day, 190 children did not come to school. If there are 350 children in the school, how many children came to school? So what is the total strength of the school? The total strength of the school is 350 children. So how many children did not came to school? 190 children. And how many children came to school? So if we subtract the number of children who did not came to school from the total number of the students, we will get the number of children who came to school. So write the steps, the total number of children. So total number of children. Total number of children. So what is the total strength of the school? That is 3. And how many number of children did not came to school? 190. 190. So number of children who did not came to school. Who did not came to school is equal to how many children? So 190 children did not came to school. So 190. So how many children came to school? So how can we obtain the number of children that who are came to school? So simply, if we subtract the number of children who did not came to school from the total number of children, then we will get the number of children who came to school. So subtract 190 from 350. So write 350 first. So write the greater number first. And write the smaller number below the greater number. So what is the smaller number? That means 190. So write 190 below the greater number. Now subtract these two numbers. So we are subtracting the children who did not came to school from the total number of children. So write the places first. So this is 1's place, and this is 10's place, and this is 100's place. So let us start subtraction from the 1's place. So what are the digits present in the 1's place? Zeros are present in the 1's place. So if we subtract 0 from 0, again we will get 0. According to subtractional facts, if any number is subtracted from itself, again we will get 0. So 0 minus 0, that is 0. Now go to 10's place. So what are the digits present in the 10's place? 5 and 9 are present in the 10's place. But here we cannot subtract 9 from the 5 because 5 is the smaller number, 9 is the greater number. So subtraction is not possible in the 10's place. Then what we have to do? So again, we have to get borrow from its next place. What is the next place? Hundreds is the next place. How many hundreds are there in the next place? 300s are there in the next place. So get borrow 100 from 300s. So there are 300s and get borrow 100 from the 300s. So if you get borrow 100 from 300s, then how many hundreds will be there? 200s will be there. And now carry this 100 to the 10th place. So if 100 is carried to the 10th place, then it will become 10 tenths. So if 100 is carried to the 10th place, it will become 10 tenths. So there are already 5 tenths, and if we get 10 more tenths, 10 and 15 becomes total 15 tenths. So now do the subtraction. So there are 15 and 9 present on the 10th place. So 15 is the greater number, 9 is the smaller number. So subtract 9 from 15. So the first number is 15. So open 15 fingers of your hand. But there we have only 10 fingers. You cannot do this subtraction on these our fingers. So just to draw 15 lines in your rough work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now strike off 9 lines in these 15 lines. So strike off 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So children, count the remaining lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total there are 6 lines are left. So write 6 under 10th place. Now go to 100th place. So there are 2 and 1 are present on 100 place. The first digit is 2. So open 2 fingers of your hand. Is 1 and 2. So what is the second digit? 1. So close one finger in these two fingers. So I have closed one finger. How many fingers are left? One finger is left. The answer is 1. So write 1 under 100 space. The answer is 160. So children, how many children came to school? That is 160 children came to school. So this is about word problems. So in this way we have to solve the given word problems. Children, so these are all the topics. So we have taught in this chapter. That is the subtraction of 2-digit numbers and subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing and subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing, and also how to verify the subtraction. And again, we have also practiced some word problems on the subtraction. So these are the topics covered in this chapter. Now let us practice some more problems in the worksheet on the discussed topics. So this is worksheet. There are 2 problems are given. So for revision purpose, so let us revise 2 more problems. So the first one is subtract the following. So subtract the following. There are given 3-digit numbers. The first number is 890 and the second number is 525. So these are the 3-digit numbers. Now we have to subtract these 3-digit numbers. So start the subtraction from the ones place. So what are the digits present in the ones place? 0 and 5 are the digits present in the ones place. So now subtract 5 from 0. But 0 is the smaller number, 5 is the greater number. We cannot subtract greater number from the smaller number. So here subtraction is not possible. So if the subtraction is not possible, then what we have to do? So we have to get borrow from the next place. So what is the next place? Cancel place. So get borrow from the digit present in the tens place. So what is the digit present in the tens place? So 9 is present in the tens place. So how many tens are there? So 9 tens are there. So among 9 tens, get borrow 1 10 from the 9's place. So get borrow 1 10 from the 9 tens. So if you get borrow 1 10 from the 9 tens, then there will be how many tens? 8 tens will be there. So now carry this 1 10 to the ones place. If you carry 1 10 to the ones place, then 1 10 becomes 10 ones. So there are 0 ones. If we carry 1 10 to the ones place, it becomes 10 ones. So there will get 10 ones. Now do the subtraction. So the first number is 10 and the second number is 5. Now subtraction will be possible. So the first number is 10. Open 10 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So children, these are the 10 fingers. So what is the second digit in the ones place? So 5 is the second digit. So close 5 fingers among these 10 fingers. So I am closing 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, count how many fingers are left here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 fingers are left here. So the answer is 5. So now go to tens place. So what are the digits present in the tens place? 8 and 2 are present in the tens place. So now do subtraction. Subtract 2 from the 8. So the first number is 8. Second number is 2. So open 8 fingers of your hand. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So these are the 8 fingers. So what is the second digit in the tens place? 2 is the second digit. So close 2 fingers in these 8 fingers. So I am closing 2 fingers. 1, 2. So children, so count how many fingers are left here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 fingers are left here. So write 6 under tens place. Now go to hundreds place. So 8 and 5 are present in the hundreds place. So 8 is the first number. So open 8 fingers of your hand. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So these are the 8 fingers. What is the second digit in the hundreds place? 5. So close 5 fingers among these 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, count how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3. So 3 fingers are left. The answer is 3. So write 3 under 100 space. The answer is 365. So children, so let us practice some more word problem. So read the word problem. In a car park, there are 265 white cars and 156 red cars. Find how many red cars are less than white cars. So children, understand the problem first and read the problem once again. So in a car park, there are 265 white cars. So there is a car park and there are total 265 white cars. And how many red cars are there? 156 red cars are there. So that means white cars are more than red cars. So white cars are more than red cars. So now we have to find how many red cars are less than white cars. So here white cars are more in number, red cars are less in number. So how many red cars are less in white cars? So now we can find how many red cars are less than white cars just by doing subtraction. So we have to subtract the number of red cars from the number of white cars. So write the steps for this word problem. So children, how many white cars are there? Number of white cars. So how many white cars are there? So number of white cars is equal to 265. So number of white cars is equal to 265. Next, number of red cars. Number of red cars. Children, how many red cars are there? 156 red cars are there. So write 156. Now we have to subtract the number of red cars from the white cars. Then we will get by how much number the red cars are less than white cars. So write one number below the another in their corresponding places. So the first number is 265. And write the smaller number below the greater number in their corresponding places. 156. So now do the subtraction. So this is ones place, this is a tens place, this is hundreds. So now start subtraction from the ones place. So what are the digits present in the ones place? 5 and 6 are present in the ones place. Now subtract 6 from the 5. So children, is it possible? So no, because 5 is the smaller number and 6 is the greater number. And we cannot subtract a greater number from the smaller number. Then what we have to do? So we have to borrow from the next place. So what is the next place? Tens place. So what is the digit present in the tens place? 6 is the digit present in the tens place. That means there are 6 tens are there. Now borrow 1 10 from the 6 tens. So borrow 1 10 from the 6 tens. So if we borrow 1 10 from the 6 tens, then there will be how many tens? 5 tens are there. And carry this 1 10 to the ones place. So if you carry the 1 10 to the ones place, it will become 10 ones. So already there are 5 ones, and if you add 10 ones, total become 15 ones. So now the subtraction is possible because the first number is 15 and the second number is 6. So 15 is greater, 6 is smaller. Now we can subtract 6 from 15. So now open 15 fingers of our hand, but there will be 10 fingers. We cannot do the subtraction on our hand. So draw 15 lines in your notebook. That means in your rough work in the notebook. So draw 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So strike off 6 lines among these 15 lines. So strike off 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Children, count the remaining lines. Please 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total there are 9 lines are left. So write 9 under ones place. Now go to tens place. So what are the digits present in the ones place? 5 and 5. Now subtract 5 from the 5. So as per the subtractional facts, if any number is subtracted from itself, then answer is 0. That is, if you subtract from the 5, you will get 0. If you subtract 5 from the 5, The answer is 0. Next, go to hundreds place. The first number is 2 and the second number is 1. So open two fingers of your hand. There is 1 and 2. So the second number is 1. So close one finger in these two fingers. So I am closing one finger. So children, how many fingers are left here? So one finger is left here. The answer is 1. Children, the answer is 109. That means the red cars are less than the white cars by 109. So in this way, we can solve the word problems. So children, so this is the end of this chapter.